Hey guys, this is Grace and welcome to my channel. I am sharing the contents of my homemade card kit that I am planning on using for March. So let me just show you this envelope or pouch. I actually got this from Studio Calico, and I bought a card kit from them when they were having this big sale. I think it was fall of 2017, and so a lot of the contents or a lot of the items in my homemade kit is from that card kit. But let me show you, and it's actually pretty durable envelope or pouch. So this card kit was called California Moon, and it has these colors. So what I did was I pulled some stuff in my stash that had that kind of color scheme, and so that it will match the other items that I had that was from this original card kit. So let's get started. First of all, let me just pull this out. Okay, so it came with a 6x6 pad, and I don't know what name of the pad this is. Oh, see, I guess it's called Make Card Kit. Don't know what the name of it, but it has very modern look to it. I've used some of the papers here before for a few projects, but yeah, it's very subtle colors. It has a lot of bold black, but then it also has matching like subdued gray and light blue. So I'm going to try to use that. And then it also came with this stamp set, which I thought was gorgeous. And I really love the flowers and also the big sentiments. The big sentiments is really fun in my eyes. So I'm going to use that one. And it has a combination of script, and then it has some modern triangles. So I'm going to use that one. And then the kit also came with some cardstock, which are, I believe, it came with, I want to say, with the white and the orange. And then I added some dark blue and then a beige because there was a dark blue right there. And because I am making 10 cards with this kit, I added a pink from my stash. Now, I also added a mint green, again, coming from this color palette right there. And then I added a white because I might do some stamping on here and then fussy cutting it or whatnot. So as you can see, these are 12 by 12 papers because I don't have them in the 8.5 by 11. And then whatever extras I could just use for a different project. So those are my cardstock. And then other things that I pulled out from my stash, I have this sticker sheet from SRM, and it has just a bunch of thank yous. And I thought that I could incorporate these two through making, so basically I think I'm going to make 10 thank you cards. We shall see if they're all going to be thank you cards, but they're always useful. So I'm going to see if I can use a lot of this up. And then something new to me, I bought this, I think, at the end of last year. It's just embossing folders, but you can see there are a bunch of frames. So I'm thinking I could maybe emboss it and then fussy cut it and then use that as a placeholder for my sentiment or something like that. And I got that a Tuesday morning. And then I also pulled out some Doodlebug twine. And this one is Bright Assortment. As you can see, I've only have these colors left. And except the purple, these ones are also part of the color palette that I am planning on using for this card kit. And then the card kit did come with an ink pad. This one's bronze, and so I'm going to use that one up. I also have 2 sequence packs. This one I think came from the kit as well, and I've used some of it already, but I'm going to try to see if I can use up. There's just clear sequins, and then this one kind of in a yellow-orange tone. It's called Summer Sunset, and it's from Spiegel Mom Scraps, and I just love the flowers on there. And then for more tools, for finishing touches, I have 2 pearl pens. I was a big fan of pearl pens at one point, and then I stopped using them for some reason. I think it's because it was easier for me to use some enamel dots and some pearls, but I want to use them up again. These ones are from Viva Decor, and this one's light green, and this one is salmon. So they don't really match, but their colors are fairly close to the color of my color scheme for this card kit. So again, this is the supplies that I'm going to be using for my homemade card kit. I usually do 10 handmade cards with my one homemade kit, and this is going to be for March. And so make sure that you if you have not subscribed, subscribe so you will know when I post the next video, because the next video after this will be sharing the process videos for the cards that I have made, or I will be making, because I haven't started it. I will be making with this kit. Again, if you like these videos, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And if you have any questions, make sure that you leave it in the comment section below, and I will catch you guys some other time. Bye guys.